Spread peanut butter on an empty toilet paper roll. You need to know this trick. Toilet paper is something everyone has at home, and the empty roll is just a piece of cardboard you usually throw away. This time, you'll turn it into something really useful. Take an empty toilet paper roll and make a small hole near the top of the cardboard. Then, take peanut butter and spread it evenly over the entire roll without missing any spots. The peanut butter creates a sticky layer that will hold everything in place. Now take a mix of bird seeds, pour them onto a tray, and roll the cardboard tube in them until it's completely covered. Finally, cut a piece of string and thread it through the hole. Hang the finished feeder on a tree, which is the perfect place for birds to find a tasty meal. It's a great way to help birds find food. Try it yourself and see how quickly your tree becomes a favorite spot for bird visits. Create an eco-friendly bird feeder that birds will love. Scoop out the inside of an orange. Use a knife to make small holes on both sides of the peel. Thread a string through and tie the ends tightly. Fill the orange with a mix of seeds for a tasty treat. Hang your feeder on a tree in the garden or on your balcony. A simple, natural way to help nature. In just 5 minutes and using old flower pots, you can create something unique. Take a plastic flower pot and 2 saucers. They don't have to be the same size, but the pot should fit inside both the top and bottom saucers. Using a drill, make a hole in the center of the pot's bottom, then do the same with both saucers. If the edges are rough, smooth them out with a knife. Now, make small holes around the lower part of the pot. Depending on the material, use either a knife or a soldering iron. These openings are key to the feeder's design. Take a strong rope and thread it through the hole in the top saucer. Then through the pot and the bottom saucer. Tie a secure knot underneath to hold everything in place. The bird feeder is now ready. The top saucer acts as a roof and remains movable, making it easy to refill. Pour in birdseed, ensuring the grains can easily fall through the side openings. Hang the feeder on a tree branch, and soon birds will gather to enjoy their new feeding spot. A simple and creative way to help your feathered friends during winter.